What questions should you ask your permanent jewelry artist when you're going to visit them? I would definitely like to know how long that they've been doing it for. How long has their quality, how long has their chains been lasting? Like, what have they seen from their previous customers, right?
Yeah, I mean, I would ask what type of metals they're using, whether they're using solid gold, gold filled, or plated. Like, I would really want to know, do you understand the difference between the metals? Because a lot of people are getting into the industry and aren't educated on the metals, and they see something that says 18 karat gold filled and it's actually plated and not knowing the differences and the nuances.
Or they're lying to their customers saying that it's gold filled.
Right, well, because their manufacturer may have also said it's gold filled and it's plated. So what metals do you use, I would say?
I like the time question too, because I don't think that just because you've been doing it for 5 years means you're better than someone who's been doing it 1 year, but you need a little bit of time underneath your belt to know that your pieces are lasting. Yeah. How are your welds?
Yeah.
What materials are you using?
Yeah, that you're getting quality chain and you kind of vetted through your vendors and figured out which ones are giving you really quality.
And I'd say watch the process too. If they have a social media account and you see them on social media and they promote their process on Instagram, I would watch the process. If you've done, Google reviews too. If you've done some research on permanent jewelry, then you have a good idea about the correct process and the correct metals that you're supposed to use. So I would definitely look at their social media account.
I like when my clients ask me about my equipment because I love to talk shop and I like to tell them about it. So I think it's okay. I think it's perfectly okay to ask your permanent jewelry artist, is this machine safe? Am I going to feel anything? Just so it puts you at ease as a person who is new to getting permanent jewelry.
Yeah.
And, if your PJ artist answers with confidence, that's a great thing.
And are you welding or are you just closing the jump ring?
Right. Yes. Yeah, that's a good.
Yeah. Because that's become very prevalent, I think, of lately. Yeah, the semi-permanent or just, there's a difference between just closing a jump ring and actually welding.
Yes. Are you actually welding this or is this just for fun, for funsies?
Yeah. And understanding the difference between welding and soldering, too.
Soldering.
Yeah.